Vinegar comes from the French phrase vinaigre, meaning sour wine. The sourness comes from the acetic acid. Yeast digests the sugars in apples and converts them into alcohol. A bacteria, Acetobacter, then turns the alcohol into acetic acid. So vinegar is a sour liquid containing acetic acid that is made via fermentation. Apple cider vinegar is one of the 3 most common types of vinegar produced by fermenting apples. This acidic solution is consumed throughout the world as a flavoring and preservative agent in foods. So welcome all to Health Field YouTube channel with another new video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell too. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Watch until the end, this will be very helpful and informative. To get on the track, we should have to look into contents of apple cider vinegar. This has variety of flavonoids, such as gallic acid, catechin, caffeic acid, and ferulic acid, and has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive, and anti-hyperlipidemic properties. Indeed, some investigations have reported beneficial effects following apple cider vinegar consumption. Most apple cider vinegar you find in the grocery store is the clear, pasteurized, and filtered type. But you can also buy raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains a cloudy sediment called the mother. This substance is made up of settled bacteria and yeast. Many people attribute apple cider vinegar's effects to the mother, hence this accounts as a probiotic. All in all, the probiotics, acetic acid, and the nutrients in apple cider vinegar are responsible for its health benefits. You can also buy apple cider vinegar pills, powders, or gummies. But there's been little research into whether these supplements have any effect, so better avoid taking this as supplements. Vinegar provides potassium, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus. In view of health benefits, number 1, may help with weight management. Maintaining a healthy body weight helps reduce your risk of many health conditions. For example, having overweight and obesity is a risk factor for high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and several types of cancer. The people who consumed apple cider vinegar significantly reduced body weight, body mass index (BMI), hip measurements, visceral fat, which is deep internal belly fat, appetite. Use 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 8-ounce water glass before meal. You will see greater results by reducing the belly fat, because this has indirect action on reducing the belly fat. Number 2, helps manage type 2 diabetes. Apple cider vinegar has lactic acid or acetic acid. This helps in lowering blood glucose level, thereby helping insulin resistance. This signals the pancreas to reduce production of insulin, whereas the excess amount of glucose will store in the liver. Some researchers have found that apple cider vinegar inhibits the enzymes that break down starches and lowers the glucose production in liver. Make sure to check your blood sugar levels if you're constantly taking apple cider vinegar, since its greater effect on preventing hypoglycemic attacks. If you wish to consume apple cider vinegar, should dilute 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a large glass of water and drink it before meals or just before bedtime. By using a straw, then it has the maximum effect on reducing blood sugar. As with most kinds of vinegar, a person should not consume undiluted apple cider vinegar. On its own, the vinegar can cause stomach irritation or damage tooth enamel. Number 3, it may lower cholesterol. May help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are risk factors for heart disease, and this increases HDL levels. Number 4 is its antimicrobial properties. This has been shown to have antimicrobial effects against certain bacteria, fungi, and viruses, which may help with skin infections and wound healing. Number 5, skin health. Apple cider vinegar's acidic nature can help balance the skin's pH levels, potentially improving skin conditions like acne and eczema. Next benefit is number 6, this shown to improve varicose veins symptoms. Number 7, ease acid reflux. A teaspoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar diluted in a mug of warm water after a meal may help with your acid reflux. It's unlikely to make your condition worse. Number 8, hair health. Apple cider vinegar does not contain notable amounts of vitamins and minerals in portions you'd use to manage health conditions. However, apple cider vinegar contains antioxidants, namely phenolic compounds. Phenolic compounds fight inflammation and might protect cells from damage that leads to disease. However, apple cider vinegar may pose risks in the long term. Also, using large amounts of apple cider vinegar for a prolonged period may lower potassium levels. Be proactive and speak to your doctor before trying any new health product, natural or otherwise. Talk to your doctor about whether apple cider vinegar is safe for you. Enjoy your healthy life.